Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. And you are watching Ethical Explorers, your go-to destination for everything cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and digital privacy. If you are passionate about uncovering vulnerabilities and securing the digital world, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Today, we are diving deep into a powerhouse tool that every security researcher, penetration tester, and malware analyst needs in their toolkit. We are talking about the Mobile Security Framework, or as it is more commonly known, MobSF. In our increasingly mobile-first world, applications hold an immense amount of sensitive data, from financial records to personal identities. Securing these applications is no longer optional. It is critical. MobSF is an automated all-in-one security research platform designed specifically for mobile applications across Android, iOS, and Windows Mobile. Whether you are performing a comprehensive penetration test, analyzing a suspicious piece of malware, or auditing an app for privacy compliance, MobSF has you covered. What makes MobSF incredibly versatile is its dual capability. It features a static analyzer that can dissect popular mobile app binaries like APK files for Android, IPA files for iOS, and APPX for Windows, and it can even audit raw source code directly. On the flip side, its dynamic analyzer takes things a step further for Android and iOS applications. It provides an environment for interactive instrumented testing, allowing you to monitor runtime data and analyze network traffic in real time as the application runs. Plus, for the developers and security engineers out there, MobSF seamlessly integrates with your DevSecOps or CI/CD pipelines through its robust REST APIs and command line tools, making automated security workflows incredibly smooth. Let's shift gears and look at how we can get this incredible tool up and running on your local machine. We are going to use a quick setup method utilizing Docker, which isolates the environment and saves us from dealing with complex dependency issues. First, you'll want to fire up your terminal or command prompt. Make sure you have Docker installed and running on your system. The very first command we need to execute is to pull the official latest MobSF image from Docker Hub. Go ahead and type docker pool open security / mobile security framework / MobSF load into latest. Hit enter and Docker will begin downloading all the necessary layers for the mobile security framework. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a brief moment as it fetches the latest, most up-to-date version of the platform. Once the download is complete, we are ready to spin up the container and launch the framework. To do this, we'll run a command that sets up the port forwarding and ensures the container cleans up after itself once we stop it. Type out the following command in your terminal: docker run -it-rm -p8000:8000 open security / mobile security framework / MobSF, the latest. Let us break down what this is doing while it initializes. The -it flags keep the session interactive. The $-rm automatically removes the container when it exits to keep your system clean. And the -p flag maps port 8000 of the container directly to port 8000 on your local host. As you press enter, you'll see the terminal stream the initialization logs. MobSF is setting up its internal database, configuring its analyzers, and starting its built-in web server. Within just a few moments, the scrolling text will stabilize, indicating that the server is officially live and listening for connections. Now that our container is up and running smoothly, it's time to transition over to our web browser to see MobSF in action. Open up your favorite browser and navigate to http://localhost:8000. As soon as the page loads, you'll be greeted by a clean, professional login interface. Security first, right? MobSF requires authentication to ensure your analysis data remains secure. For this fresh setup, we'll use the default credentials. In the username field, type in MobSF, all lowercase. For the password field, enter the exact same thing, MobSF. Click that login button and welcome to the central dashboard of the Mobile Security Framework. The user interface is beautifully designed, intuitive, and highly functional. Right in the center of the screen, you'll see a massive drag and drop upload zone. This is where the magic begins. For our demonstration today, I've prepared a sample mobile application binary file to upload so we can see exactly how MobSF handles analysis. I'm going to grab our sample file, drag it right over the browser window, and drop it into the upload box. Instantly, you'll see a progress bar kick off. MobSF is now uploading the binary into its environment. The moment the upload finishes, MobSF automatically triggers its static analyzer. You don't even have to press a start button. Behind the scenes right now, the framework is working furiously. It is decompiling the application, extracting the manifest files, parsing the certificate details, and scanning the source code or intermediate code for known vulnerabilities, hard-coded secrets, weak cryptographic algorithms, and insecure network configurations. If you look back at your terminal window where Docker is running, you can actually see the real-time logs of the analyzer breaking down the application components piece by piece. After a short wait, the page refreshes, and we are presented with a spectacularly detailed security analysis report. Let's take a guided tour through this wealth of information. At the very top of the report, we get the information section. This gives us the high-level metadata of the file we just uploaded. We can see the application name, the package name, the exact version, the file size, and critical cryptographic hashes like MT5, SHA-1, and SHA-256. These hashes are incredibly useful for threat intelligence and verifying file integrity. As we scroll down, we come across the security score and metrics. MobSF assigns an overall security score out of 100, giving you an instant glanceable gauge of the application's posture. It also categorizes findings based on severity, showing you a breakdown of high, medium, and low risk issues. Next up is the permission section, which is vital for privacy analysis. MobSF extracts every single permission requested by the app in its manifest file. It doesn't just list them, it color codes them and provides a clear description of what each permission does and whether it poses a security or privacy risk. For instance, if a simple calculator app is requesting access to your camera, contacts, and precise location, MobSF will flag those as dangerous permissions, prompting further investigation. Scrolling further, we find the certificate analysis section. MobSF inspects the digital signature used to sign the application. It checks if the certificate is self-signed, expired, or uses weak hash algorithms like SHA-1, which could leave the application vulnerable to tampering or spoofing attacks. One of the most powerful features of the static report is the vulnerability analysis and code analysis sections. Here, MobSF displays the results of its static application security testing roles. It scans for common flaws such as insecure data storage, clear text logging of sensitive information, disabled SSL wildcard verification, and the use of broken cryptographic functions. Each finding comes with a detailed description, the specific file and line number where the issue resides, and the associated OWASP Mobile Top 10 vulnerability category, making it incredibly straightforward for developers to locate and fix the flaws. If that wasn't enough, MobSF also includes a malware analysis section. It checks the application's components against known malware signatures and evaluates domain reputations. It extracts all hard-coded URLs, IP addresses, and emails found within the code, mapping out exactly who and where the application is trying to communicate with on the internet. You can even view a visual representation of the string constants and components, giving you a deep look into the binary's DNA without ever executing a single line of code. That brings us to the end of our deep dive into the mobile security framework. As we've seen, MobSF is an absolute game changer for automating mobile application security testing, packing immense analytical power into a user-friendly interface that fits perfectly into any modern development or security research pipeline. If you found this walkthrough helpful and want to see more practical guides on security tools and ethical hacking techniques, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to drop a comment below letting me know what tool you want us to explore next. Subscribe to Ethical Explorers, hit that bell icon, and stay secure. I will see you all in the next video.